Bass's second efforts have been a feature. I've mentioned that a couple of times. Balderstone has probably won the hit-outs to date. They come in again. Ball comes down. Good work there by Panos. Gives it back to Wilson. Now it's got a bit of time. Gets it back handball to Giorgio. He gets a handball to Fuller. Normally dangerous on the kick. It goes to Panos. The skills here. The pressure by South Adelaide's really good. Panos back into the side tonight. Goes the outer side. Finds Shenton. They're away on the outer side. The ball up along the grandstand wing nicely. So back in the middle. Balderstone up against Bass. The big men set themselves. Balderstone probably got it down. Comes to Panos. Panos now with the kick. Kicks it up towards half forward. Dorr comes out and takes the mark. So Brady Dorr, he gives it off to Panos. Right from the 50, has a shot on goal. Panos, that's like a training drill. Great work there by Norwood.
Go to Mitch Grigg.
So Norwood can reset again. So Grigg goes inboard. That's a good kick. Spearing kick to Panos. They're away here, Norwood. Good work there by Shenton. He's actually tackled. That could be holding the ball. Play on, said the umpire. Comes to Panos now. Now to Forster. Stone comes in with Bass to take the ruck contest. 10 metres out from the Norwood goal. Comes down. Little toe poke off the ground. That was by Panos. Good work there by South Adelaide. That could be a free kick too high. And
well done, Fuller. Got it to Richards. It ends up with Fuller again. Peels the handball back about 15 metres away to Bode. Bode says, Panos, you take it. And now Giorgio.
A couple of holding the ball decisions going against South Adelaide. And it was Little just over the footy. Mitch Grigg could kick this. He's right on 50. He should just go back and have a shot here. Decides to go in short. He's got Forster, I think it is. And that is poor work there. No, it's Panos. That is poor work there by South Adelaide because Panos, the leading possession getter for Norwood, somehow found himself free 40 metres out.
The kick had to be good from Grigg, it did. And it didn't miss. It was a terrific kick.
So Panos back in the side tonight. Normally a good kick on goal, and have a look at that. Oh, it's drifted, but I think it's got in. That's a goal to Panos.
Go with him still standing in the middle.
Maybe just to the top of the square here, the big fella. Kicks it long. Ellison goes up. Can he take it? But at the back, Panos takes a good saving mark. Goes